Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your Planet Fitness membership via the app and wondering if this is possible or not. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so cancelling a Planet Fitness membership through the app is not an available option at this point in time. I'm making this video in June 2024. So the Planet Fitness requires members to cancel membership in person or via a written letter. Here's how you can cancel your Planet Fitness membership. So in-person cancellation. So what you need to do is go to your local Planet Fitness location where you originally signed up for your membership, and then ask the front desk or staff for a cancellation form and fill it out. And then once you've done that, hand that form back to the staff and then they'll process your cancellation. Another way you can do it, if you're not near that gym, you can write a cancellation letter. So include your full name, address, phone number, and membership ID. Clearly state that you wish to cancel your membership, and then send the letter via certified mail to your home club's address. This ensures you have proof that the letter was sent and received. Another way you can do it is via a phone call. So you can call your home club for additional details and instructions on cancelling your membership. They might be able to cancel it over the phone, but I'm pretty certain you need to go into the actual membership place where you signed up to cancel. And if you need any further assistance, just check the Planet Fitness website every now and then and see if they've got more options available. They might make it that you can cancel the membership using the app or their website in the near future.